In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not working on Windows 11. We all know the convenience and importance of having easy access to the apps and tools we need through the Microsoft Store, but when it stops working, it can be quite frustrating. Don't worry though, this issue is often quite simple to resolve. I'm here to walk you through some straightforward steps that should help get your Microsoft Store back up and running smoothly. First things first, let's start by accessing the Run dialog. To do this, just press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. Think of this as a quick shortcut to opening a tool that will allow you to enter commands directly. It's a simple trick every Windows user should have up their sleeve. Now you'll want to type in a command. In this case, the command we're looking to use is wsreset.exe. So go ahead and type that into the Run dialog that's appeared. This command is specially designed to reset the Microsoft Store, clearing out the cache that might be causing issues while preserving your settings and installed applications. After you've typed in wsreset.exe, hit enter on your keyboard. When you do this, you might notice that a blank command prompt window appears. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. It might take a few seconds, so be patient here. What's happening in the background is that the command is clearing the store's cache. Consider this like giving the store a fresh start, but without losing any of your information. After the cache has been cleared, you should see the Microsoft Store open automatically. This is a good indication that the process has been completed successfully. At this point, you can try browsing the store to see if everything is functioning as it should. Often this simple reset is all that's needed to resolve common issues with apps not downloading or the store not opening properly. If you still experience issues, it might be worth restarting your computer and checking again. Restarting can sometimes iron out any lingering problems and ensure the changes take effect. Remember, if issues persist, you might want to check for any additional Windows updates, as these can offer fixes for bugs and errors that could affect the Microsoft Store. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not working on your Windows 11 machine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.